So here at the manufacturing bench, we receive our IPCs, we run them through configurations and set up all the software and make sure that everything's QA'd and ready to go. We test our RealSense cameras, and once everything's QA'd, everything's tested and certified, and we put the official stamp on it, we send it out of the door. So these are our Intel RealSense depth perception cameras, and that's kind of the heart of our whole system. That's what we use for our vision system, for our robot cells. And here you can see we have our Pick One Assistant, which I'm able to show a preview of what the cameras are seeing. And I'm able to get calibration and exposure and blue values. So right now we kind of have a dummy background set up, but normally if this was in a robot cell, there would be your background, your calibration, and right now I'm simulating getting a pick request. So if you had items or parcels that it was looking at, like for instance my hands right here, you can see there's like little dots up here. It would be able to know, okay, that's an item and that's not part of the background or the environment. And when I go here and I do a pick request for that, it gives us those values so it can better dictate what it's picking and what it's looking at. Right here, I'm going to trigger a pick request. I'm going to use my hand as kind of an object to show that there's something there. And so now we have data values that are showing my hand in the environment.